In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and improve your experience with ChatGPT by addressing some common connectivity issues. We all know how important a stable internet connection is, especially when you're relying on it for tasks like interacting with AI. A slow internet connection can result in delayed responses, which can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, because I'll guide you through some simple steps to ensure that your connection is running smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's check your internet speed. A quick speed test will determine if a sluggish download or upload speed is affecting your ChatGPT experience. To do this, simply search Internet Speed Test on Google. You'll find a built-in tool right at the top of your search results that allows you to measure your internet speed within seconds. If the results show that your speed is lower than expected, consider restarting your Wi-Fi router. Often, a simple reboot can resolve minor connectivity issues. Alternatively, if you're operating on a dual-band router, switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks might improve your connection as well. Make sure your device is positioned optimally to get the best signal strength from your router. If your internet speed seems fine but you're still experiencing issues with ChatGPT, the next step is to refresh or reopen the application. For a quick refresh, if you're using a Windows operating system, press Ctrl and R simultaneously. Mac users can achieve the same by pressing CMD and R. This action reloads the page, which can help in resolving any temporary glitches. Another approach is to log out of ChatGPT and log back in. Doing so can refresh session data, potentially giving you a smoother experience. Should these steps not resolve your issue, it might be time to consider trying a different web browser. ChatGPT is optimized for browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you're currently using an older browser version, this could be impacting your AI interaction. Updating an outdated browser or switching to one of the recommended options might provide a noticeable difference in performance. It's a straightforward switch, but it can ensure that you're making the most out of your ChatGPT interactions. By following these steps, you can address many common connectivity issues, ensuring that your experience with ChatGPT is as seamless as possible. Remember, a stable and fast internet connection is key when using AI tools, and a little troubleshooting can go a long way in enhancing your digital interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you get the best performance from ChatGPT. Enjoy smooth